Where that Dutch at, nigga? The connection. Hempstead's finest, nigga. Fuck y'all niggas know about it.
Since birth, I've been cursed with the thirst of dollars. Ducking alphabet boys and silver impalas. I'ma bag it up and get it off my hands regardless. Lines tapped, never yapping on the cordless. Remain cautious, business I do is flawless. Kill an army style, but have to stop ballers. All the ballers got their bitches leaving niggas ballers. But I'ma do it to the death till the Lord call us. Fuck 'em out, homie, me, I'm running marathons. Harder than Barry Bonds, faster than Ramadan. And that evil eye tatted on my left arm. Shit is animal. See, I supply a farm, San Bravano. They got their riots on, claiming homies, still telling lies to Sean. Rock Moss, Connect Gang, higher form. Hit the booth, switch it up, now you're
lifestyle, divine, perfect. Define my golden mind, Mercuress. Well dressed in gold text, luxurious, mistress, confess. I heard she got the curse in the nest. First quest, I address to what's next. Flawless A-Tex, fly sacred. Ultra ego, no sequel, no equal. Red dot through your peephole. And everything I do is for my people. On everything I love. Fly talk some money in. You niggas is funny-ins. Sonny saw my style, no one. All these tricks in the world, like slalom. Roll the dice on my odds and one. You niggas fold tight, the guards came to gun. Kingpin greet him with the ultimatums. And take his head off if he's saying something. Welcome to the layer of the flavor dungeon. All we do is apply how we slaying something. Connect Judgment Day, you're coming. Accompanied by Marcy, blow Yardy like Garvey. Kingpin smoke like Marley. Snatch and fly, check out the party. Pass your bitch off the rebound like Barkley.
Keep it moving like keys in the housing unit. Fuck chasing power, I got too many powder users. Like Calvin with the powder blue Pumas. $12,000 Cuban, used to be a college student. Opportunist, been to war, skin got the bruises. 40 Glock draw like a cartoonist. Times money got a palm looting. We all looting. I'm a hustler, Paul Newman. Anything besides being rich is excuses. Any kind of V I get is exclusive. You gotta measure man by his deeds. So I'm trying to leave my seeds behind deeds. My timepiece pricey, that shit you in is like cheese. My Glock 19, I like to squeeze. So when it's all said and done, I'm ready for whatever comes. You stuck up on level 1. It's whatever you want.
Mice found in a bucket of cream. First mouse